Hello guys, good morning everyone. My name is Gyanan from English with Village Vlog. So guys, now today I am going to tell you how to ask question. So as we have so many helping verbs, like in present time we have do, does, is, am, are, have, has been, have had, has had. So in past time we have like so many helping verbs like was, were, and did, and had, and had, so had been, like this. And in future time of course we have like some helping verbs like will be, will have been, like this. So if you know these helping verbs, of course you will be able to ask question. So today I am not going to tell you how to ask question in past time and present and future time. So today I am going to tell you only how to ask question in present time. Suppose we have is, am, are, do, does, have, been, have had, has had. So with the help of this helping verb, now I am going to tell you how to ask question. And of course we have some ws family like how, who, whom, when, where, how many, how much, how often, and how long, and like this, where, why, like this. We have this ws family. Okay, let's start. Suppose I don't know anything about your brother, and now I am going to have a conversation with you. So if I don't know how to ask questions, so how can I have a conversation with you? But I know how to ask questions, so of course I am going to have a great conversation with you. So suppose I want to know anything about your friend, so of course I am going to ask question with does in present time. So let's start. So okay, suppose your name is Subham. So Subham, uh, does your brother take tea? Yes, my brother takes tea. Okay. So at what time? Now I am going to use WS family. So okay, at what time does your brother take tea? Well, my brother takes tea at 7 o'clock in the morning. Okay, great. So who makes tea? Of course, my mom makes tea. Okay, at what time does your mom make tea? My mom makes tea around 6:30 a.m. Oh, great. So, how many cup of tea does your mom make? Well, my mom makes 5 cups of tea. Okay, why does she make 5 cup of tea? She makes 5 cup of tea because we are 5 member in my family. Oh, great. So does your brother take tea with milk or without milk? Of course my brother takes tea with milk. Okay. So so what kind of tea leaves does your brother like? Well, my brother likes like any brand. I'm not going to tell you any brand. Okay, great. So who buys tea leaves? Of course my brother buys tea leaves. Okay, in which market does he buy? He buys like from Bantra market. Oh, that's lovely. How far is the Bantra market? Well, Bantra market is 5 kilometers far from my home. Okay, so how often does your brother go to market? Well, he goes to market on Sunday. At what time does he go to market? He goes to market in the evening. Okay, with whom does he go to market? He goes to market with his neighbor. Okay, what is his neighbor's name? His neighbor's name is Ans. Okay, what does Ans do? Ans is a student. Okay, in which class uh, does Ans study? Well, Ans studies in 12th class. Okay, great. So does your brother have a bike? Yes, my brother has a bike. Which bike does your brother have? Well, my brother has which bike? Okay, any bike. Okay, great. So does your brother know how to drive bike? Does your brother know how to ride bike? Yes, my brother knows how to ride a bike. Great. So लो खराब कर देती ना यार बीच में देखो. So at what time does your brother, okay, so great, so okay, so Subham, does your brother go to park? Yes, my brother goes to park. At what time does he go to park? He goes to park after taking breakfast around 7:30. Okay, so what does he do in the park? He takes some exercise. Okay, how far is the park? Park is nearby my home. Okay, great. So does he go alone? Yeah, he goes alone. Okay, lovely. So after coming from the park, what does your brother do? After coming from the park, he takes a shower and he gets dressed. Okay, after getting dressed, where does he go? After getting dressed, he goes to office. Okay, so what does he do? He works uh, as a like as a manager in his office. Okay, great. So how much money does he earn from his job? Well, he earns 20,000 rupees per month. Does your brother give money to your family member? Does your brother give money to his mom? Yes, my brother gives money. Okay. Does your brother buy clothes for you? Yes, my brother buys clothes for me. Okay, great. At what time does your brother take dinner? My brother takes dinner around 9:30 p.m. Why does he take dinner around 9:30 p.m.? He takes dinner late because when he comes home from the office around 7:30. That is why actually he takes some rest. He takes a rest for some time, and also he watches TV for some time. That is why he takes dinner late. Okay, great. So after taking like dinner, what does your brother do? After taking dinner, he goes upstairs. Why does he go upstairs? He goes upstairs because he walks for some time. He strolls for some time. Okay. So at what time does he go to bed? He goes to bed around 10 p.m. After, okay, okay, great. So guys, now I have asked question in present time, and I have asked related only third person, like I have used only does. I didn't use like has been, have been, is, am, are. I didn't show you, but if I want I can show you. Okay, okay, Subham, where is your mom? My mom is in the room. Okay, is your mom happy? Yes, my mom is happy. Okay, so what is your mom doing in the kitchen? Well, my mom is in the kitchen and I think she has been cooking food uh, since morning. Okay, she has been cooking food. Okay, has your brother been angry with you for 2 days? Yes, my brother has been angry for 2 days. Okay, so has your brother had a bike for 1 year? Yes, my brother has had a bike for 1 year. Oh, that's great. So has your father been watching TV for 1 hour? Yes, my father has been watching TV for 1 hour. Okay. So I'm going to talk about you. So do you get up early in the morning? Yes, I get up early in the morning. Okay. So do you go to park? Yes, I go to park. Do you have a bike? Yes, I have a bike. Okay. Are you a student? Yes, I am a student. Oh, that's lovely. So have you had a problem for 2 days? No, no, I haven't had any problem for 2 days. Wow, great. So have you been in Lucknow For 2 months. Yes, I have been in Lucknow for 2 months. Okay, so do you like Lucknow? Yeah, I love Lucknow actually. I can see so many greenery around me and peace and tranquility. There is no problem. I'm so happy to be here. Oh, that's fantastic. So guys, I have used all types of helping verbs and all types of WS family. So by this way you can also ask question. Just take one topic and just try to use WS family with this help, like with this helping verb. Suppose I asked one question, does your brother take tea? And after that I used all the WS family with this line, like, okay, at what time does your brother take tea, how many cup of tea does your brother uh, take tea, and what kind of tea leaves does he like, and when does he take tea, where does he take tea, and why does he take tea. I have asked so many questions related to this topic. So by this way you can also ask so many questions, and of course if you do this, so of course you will be able to ask question by yourself. You don't need any partner, you are enough, and you just practice by yourself. So this is all about this video. Thank you so much guys. If you like this video, bye.